Repair the Broken Pieces is a book written by Dr. Deborah M. Vereen, CEO of Families with Us, and an educator of more than 30 years, devoted to helping educators and parents develop strong relationships in order to increase student growth. Recent studies have shown that parents and other family members, as well as other caregivers, are critical partners in the area of education. The list of research-based mandated strategies and programs is vast, but Dr. Vereen has selected examples that demonstrate the importance of parental involvement efforts, presented along with a system designed to awaken positive relationships between the family and educational provider through engagement fusion. Parents, teachers, educators, policymakers, and anyone who supports the health and development of children would benefit from Repair the Broken Pieces and the unique insights it brings to parent and educator relationships. Available online at drdeborahmvereen.com, exlibris.com, amazon.com, and barnesandnoble.com.